Hi guys! Ayan. Ano ba yan? Yan. Subject class. Supposed to be today, ang event lang namin morning, then magre-rest sana kami after ng aming first event. Kasi nga, yung nakabook na matagal ng event sa gabi, nag-cancel. And so we decided that we will just take a rest. But while we are driving home from our event in the morning, while we are driving home from last night's event, may nag-message that while they are prepping daw for the birthday of her son, which will be tonight, na-mention daw ng bata na sana magkaroon siya ng program, magkaroon siya ng party, but they will have talaga a birthday celebration for him, pero not that prepared one. But yes, sinabi nga talaga doon ng bata na sana bukas andyan si Host Cherry. Wish ko talaga na dumating si Host Cherry. And syempre, kapag ang parents talaga ay afford naman and go lang, so nag-message ka agad sila sa page.
Hi! Happy ka? Apa? Oh. Kanami mo. Ang gagawin mag-impress tayo ha. Mauna ako, si Mami at saka si Daddy, tapos ikaw. Mag-first pa. Opo, mamaya.
Anong gusto mo na request? Mag-dance ng
Hawak mo ang beat.
Ay, sus, dance kayo dalawa?
At si Mami at si Daddy.
Hindi na ako. Si
Si Daddy lang, si Daddy.
Sige. Si Oscar lang. We will begin in 1 minute. Our Matthew Jefferson H. Dorana. Bakit ka happy? Kasi?
Nag-celebrate ako ng birthday.
Ay, palakpakan naman. Ang galing sumagot. Ano? But do you have a crush? Do you have a crush?
Yes, I do.
Is she your classmate or someone from your purok? Where's she from? She's from your?
She was in the Philippines but now she's in New Zealand.
Ay, sosyal! Ano ang kinatatakutan niyang hayop?
Ikaw.
You have to give me the reason. May rason si Jeff. Jeff, he's correct, no? It's cow. Yes. Bakit cow?
Kaya malaki.
Kasi?
Matakot siya kasi malaki.
Matakot ang?
Siya.
Makuton ko, si Jeff. Jeff, dito ka. Lapit ka. Bakit cow? Bakit takot ka sa cow? Kasi?
I'm not afraid of cows in the morning, but in night they glow their eyes.
Te! Bring me a child visitor na may memorize na Bible verse. Ay, wait lang. Hindi pa patalo yung celebrant natin. Meron ka memorize? Okay. Ano ang mga kabisado mo? Dito ka, kuya. Dito ka. Ano ang mga kabisado mong Bible verse? Here we go. Recite it.
Okay. Psalm 91. Whoever dwells in the shelter of the Most High will rest in the shadow of the Almighty. I will say, the Lord, He is my refuge and my fortress, my God in whom I trust. Surely will save you from the father's snare and from the deadly pestilence. He will cover you with His feathers, and under His wings you will find refuge. His faithfulness will be your shield and rampart. You will not fear the terror of the night, nor the arrow that flies by day, nor the pestilence that stalks in the darkness, nor the plague that destroys at midday. 1,000 may fall at your side, 10,000 at your right hand, but it will not come near you. You will only observe with your eyes and see the punishment of the wicked. If you say, the Lord is my refuge, and you make the Most High your dwelling, no harm will overtake you, no disaster will come near your tents, for He will command His angels angels concerning you to guard you in all your ways. They will lift you up in their hands so that you will not strike your foot against a stone. You will tread in the lion and the cobra. You will trample the great lion and the serpent. Because he loved me, says the Lord, I will rescue him. I will protect him. For he acknowledges my name. He will call on me and I will answer him. I will be with him in trouble. I will deliver him and honor him. With long life I will satisfy him and show him my salvation. Wait everyone, I have another one. Okay, the first one is the same like the Psalm 91. Psalm 139 verse 14. I praise you because you make me an amazing and wonderful way. 2. Mark 11 verse 24. Everything you ask for in prayer will be yours if you have only faith. 3. James 1 verse 5. If any of you lacks wisdom, you shall ask God, and it will be given to you.
Kuya, tignan natin talaga kung kayang. You mentioned a lot of verses, but what is your favorite verse? Just one. What is your favorite verse? It is the... Among all the verses, you know, what is your favorite?
James 1 verse 5.
And what is that?
If any of you lacks wisdom, you shall ask God, and it will be given to you.
Kung di ko lang daw tas ang wisdom. Yes po. Yes.
You want to explain?
Do you know, everyone and host Cherry, do you know that every verse has names like James, Matthew, Petrology, and Psalm? Those are the names of the disciples of Jesus.
Pero birthday mo man, ibalik mo sa akin yan. Birthday mo man. 50 lang sa'yo. Birthday mo man, hingi ka lang kay mami. Ang galing niya. Oh, dapat 1 to 14 sa'yo, no? 1 to 14, yung pinakamahaba. 1 to 19. Ah, wala ko gapamati, no? Okay. Now, what is your verse? Ah, sige, go.
Joshua 1:9 Hinumdumi ang akong sugo na magmalikon kag magbaysagon. Ayaw kaadlok o kaluya tungod kay ako ang Ginoo nga imong Dios pagubad kanimo bisan asa ka.
Thank you guys. At dahil dyan, what is your verse? Kung makapalakpak ka ang lakas ha. What is your verse?
I'm sorry, I'm not a Christian, I'm a Muslim.
Alam, iba kasi yung delivery niya. Yung iba kasi, they just memorize. Kasi siya, when he delivers the lines, parang na-absorb niya, naiintindihan niya. Kasi gusto ko sana siyang tanungin pa, pero baka ibalik niya yung tanong, hindi ko masagot. So, okay pa. So, okay na tayo. Ang galing-galing mo. I like you so much, Jeff.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. This time, it is going to be bring me your beautiful mommy na magaling sumayaw ng hawak mo ang beat.
Magsabay yung mga kids.
Again?
Magsabay yung kids with mommy.
Opo. Kasi birthday mo, masusunod ka. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Music! Date lang. Anong gina-exit nyo? Date lang. Hey! Kuli, get your mom! Get your mom! Get your mom! Mama! Ako ba na sa'yo? Okay. gentlemen. Okay. Oh, yes. Palaban yung ano ha, mommy ha. 5, 6, 7. Music for the mommies and kids. Ala! Woo! Come on, Jeffy! Thank you so much, Mommy. 100,000. Yay! What? Bring me a visitor who's been single the longest. 29 years. Halin sa ginbata ka, sir. Why ka ginagi, sir? Dire, pila ka tuig ni nga single. 35 years. Why yet? Bow! Oh. Tayo tayo, ma'am. Please stand. Tindog lang. Oh, may tatalo pa ba sa 35? 35. Wait lang. Pila ka tuig na wala. How many? Dali lang. Single ka, sir?
Single na single.
Halika nga dito, sir. Pila ka nakatuig.
As in pa.
Anong as in? As in?
Nga wala ko sang nobya.
Katong umpisa pa na bata ka, sir?
Yes.
Ay! Pila nakatuig? Pila na edad mo karon?
43.
43.
1982.
Okay, wag na nating papaabot sa 44 kasi meron kami ditong 35. Sir! Wait lang. Sabi ng isa, ma'am, bawal palag siya, palag. Hi ka lang. Hello. Hi lang, promise. Pastora, good evening po. Mag-hi lang po kayo. Sir, mag-hi lang po kayo. Good evening po.
Good evening, Col.
Call ka. Sir, good evening, Col.
Good evening, Kuya.
Sir, eto po ang good evening ni Pastora. Good evening daw, sabi ni Pastora. Pastora po siya. Okay. Good evening siya. Basta ganito, mabubuti talaga yung conversation. Dapat ayusin mo yung Pastora. Oh. Good evening daw, sir. Sagot ka lang, good evening din. Go. May gabi.
Hindi. Pastoral siya?
Opo. May gabi ka lang.
Wow, may gabi.
Dahil dyan, Pastora, 35 years single ka, siya 43 years single, mahimo siya nga hasta 44 single siya gyapon. Congratulations, sir.